before you want to create a menu driven in Python, this is how I did mine. So first of all, you have to use a while loop. Okay, so while true, then you just code out your menu. Just create your menu. So you have your print as in the normal printout that we do. You print out, you show your menu. Okay, so you display the options for the user to see. Now you have your menu, then the options. So the option 1 is for addition, then option 2 is for subtraction. So you just print, then you indicate your double quotation, then you type in subtraction. Okay, now so when the user want to exit, you have to give the user another option to select so that the user can exit the application. So you give out the option for the user, that is option 3 as exit. Okay, now you have to initialize or declare another variable. Since we are dealing with option, there should be a choice. Okay, so choice equal to, then you have your input, then you prompt the user to choose an option. So we have option 1, let's say option 1 to 4. Option 1 to 4. Option 1 to 4. Now when you are done, we have to get some logic. Okay, that will control the options the user will choose. So we are going to use the if. So if choice, let's say if choice is equal to, then double quotation 3, then double quotation 3, then you bring your colon, then you go to your prompt, you just print out, give the user notice that you are editing. Okay, you are exiting from the program. So I made a mistake here, so I have to type in 3, okay, for the user to exit. Now you have to prompt the user exiting, so you notify the user to exit, right? Good. So you have to print out exiting, then you have to break. If the user select 3, the system has to break. So the system is break. Now you have to initialize num1 into the user input. So num1 equal to float, then you open your bracket, input, open another bracket with double quotes, enter first number. Enter first number. So meaning you have prompted the user to enter first number. Enter first number. Then you go again. Since we are dealing with 2 numbers, you have to prompt the user to enter the second number. So enter the second number. So the user, because I'm using float because I don't know, some of the users can enter a number with decimals. Okay, so you have to use float or floating point. So this is the second number. Then you open a double quotation, then you close the bracket. Good, nice coding. So if choice equal to 1, so you bring your double quotation 1, then the colon. Okay, good. If it is 1, you know the option 1 is for what? Addition, right? So you just print out, then you go straight. So you bring your double quotation, sum equal to the num1 plus num2. num1 plus num2. So if the user chooses, let's say, option 1, meaning the user is going to perform addition of two numbers. Else, so elif, elif choice equal to 2. So if the user chooses 2, meaning the user is going to perform subtraction. So it's going to find the differences. The difference of what? The num1 and num2. So you have to print out the option 2, difference equal to num1 minus num2. Because I am using float, because floating point, if let's say if the first number is smaller than the second number, you should get negative. Okay, and that is why as a programmer or a software engineer, you have to be wise, you have to be smart, and use some of the data type that can give you guys a correct output. Okay, good. So if the number, let's say if the first number is 2 and the second number is 3, it will give you what? -1. So else, now I'm using else because I'm about to finish. So if apart from number and the user chooses any letter, or I'll prompt the user, or I'll give the user a notice that the person has entered what? Invalid option. So the person should try it again. Okay, good. So make sure you indent it well. How I have arranged mine, you have to look and do same, else they will give you an indentation errors. Your program will not run. So make sure you look at how I have arranged my codes. Okay, the main codes, they are aligned, they are vertically aligned. So this is the last one. So the options are here. Good. So this is the output. So option 1, 2, 3. That's we have addition, subtraction, then exit. So choose an option, then you do your calculation. Enter first number. I enter 3. The second number 4. So if you go, or if you scroll up, you will see sum equal to 7.0. So I'll do the second option, that is to enter first number, the second number. So the first number is 4, the second number is 4. So the output is for 0.0. So you see there is a problem. See, they say enter second number. There is no space, so I have to space out the end so that I'll get a space to for the user to enter the number, so that the user will see the number well. So I have to space out. So have to space out. So you go here, you space out, good, space out, good, then you run again, good. After running, you see that now the user can have a space. So good. So enter first number, enter second number. Now the space is there. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you click on the subscription the button, then you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. Please and please again, make sure you hit the subscription button for me. Okay, you can like and share the video. Thank you.